So how'd your pre-final go?
It didn't go too good. We started out on the first start. I had a pretty good start, wanted the hole that I wanted, and then we had to go back and start all over again. And what I wanted to do, I couldn't do, and couldn't get the cart going. I was in the middle of the pack. Guy hit me from behind in turn one. We had about 8 laps, 4 laps left, and knocked me out to the back end. I worked myself up, got 15th, and so we're going to have to try again and see what.
So are you saying there's another kart rage out there?
There's, oh man, yeah, he just came out of the old folks home. They let him out tonight to do this race. So
how's it feel to get kart raged?
Not good, you know. I mean, my thing is same thing as him. You hit me, you know, however you race me, I'm gonna race you. You know, you wanna rough me up, I'm gonna rough you up. It's part of it. If you don't like it, go play some tennis or golf.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. For those of you that tuned into the Kart Rage pre-final race, here is the final race. He's in the heavies class with me, and we'll see how his race goes, and we'll let him take it away.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this. The guy that hit me was an older man. I know him, and he came up to me, apologized to me. It was an accident, so it's all good. So there's no roughing up on him tonight. Everything's gonna be fine. Oh guys, I'm right where I want to be. If I can keep everybody in front of me going, keep the guy from behind me hit me, I think we're gonna have a good start. Everybody's lined up in the middle of the track.
That's called foreshadowing, what he just did.
I got to worry about number 11. He keeps looking at me.
I think he should be more worried about you than you about him, if you want my opinion.
Well, he would. I'm gonna go right down the middle of them, see what happens. Just a lot of brake lights. Hey,
Don't try to talk, just drive, Kart Rage. That's a ballsy move going across the track like that.
We zigged and zagged. We got guys. Doing pretty good right now. We're still in the pile. They're going to crash out here in a minute. You dumbass!
He got tagged in the rear pretty good there. I get why he's pissed.
Here we go again. It's all right for everybody else to freaking hit.
Couldn't even get past the first lap before he got nailed. You're all right, Kart Rage. That's okay. Push him. Got to run on him. Go inside. There you go. No over under, okay. Going off track there. Watch this. Dirty tire just slides right out. Kart Rage gets another spot.
You ain't supposed to hit somebody right where they're going in the turn like they're doing, pushing you out.
Yeah, but it's rental kart racing and that happens.
They want to know why I get pissed off. Well, it's all right for you to do it. That's all right.
You know what, Kart Rage? It's not all right.
It's all right. They're going to wreck up here in a minute, hopefully. We're catching up to them.
Ah, you're a little wide.
I want to see if we can just pick one off at a time.
There you go. Quit hitting them curbs, Kart Rage. These rental karts don't like that too much. Got a good run here on number 11. Outside, outside, outside. I'm a spotter as always. Outside, clear.
We got one. We're gonna get another one here in a minute, guys. Just hang on. They're a little slow.
Over under, set them up for over under. There you go.
You got two of them that time.
The other guy was a lapper, I think. Not sure. He's not doing bad.
We're moving up a little bit, slowly but surely. It's better to move up than move back.
That's true. I agree with him on that. He's doing pretty good.
This car's handling a little bit better than it was now. It's warming up a little bit. I go around.
Kart does get easier to drive as the run gets moving along. Tires warm up. For those of you not
All
familiar
right,
with
come on,
karting.
pick up motor. That's where I have trouble. This thing don't want to pick up. Really both.
Oh, he almost said a really bad word there. Got pushed out again in that corner. I wish he would have finished his word. That would have been kind of funny, but
I don't know who that 26 is. There's no reason for that.
I agree.
And now they want to know why I get my name Kart Rage.
You get your name Kart Rage for what you do to people, not what they do to you. See if Kart Rage can catch him and pass 26 back. That'll be interesting to see. Come on, Kart Rage. Come on, Kart Rage. Dig. 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 Come on. I would love to be Kart Rage's spotter. It'd be so fun. So I don't know if I was a spotter, if I should have a NASCAR spotter voice or a F1 voice.
Yeah, we're halfway.
Kart Rage, you are not in DRS zone. 0.3 seconds behind. That was a really terrible accent, but I tried. I would love Martin Brundle to interview Kart Rage in the grid. That would be the greatest thing ever. He keeps nailing that curve, and I don't know why. Look at his hands moving around. Kind of resetting him on the steering wheel there, which he should keep him pretty much in the same spot. Now he does have some shoulder issues, so he may be compensating for those issues. A little wide, way wide there, Kart Rage. You just settle it down. He's getting a little flustered, it looks like, or frustrated. He's getting a little sloppy in that corner. Now, we're not used to carrying as much speed in that corner. And it happened to me where I was just going a little too fast in that corner compared to normal, so we get just a bigger run up to it from the old configuration, and we're needing to slow down a little bit more to make that corner now correctly. Not really catching the guys in front of him.
Car don't want to turn too well.
That's better. See if he hits the curb here. That was really good right there. That's perfect. That's good. Yep.
Oh well. You win some, you lose some, boys.
All right. So
Last lap.
one more lap. gonna definitely keep Kart Rage mic'd up in the next race. This is a lot of
I
fun.
just keep this position.
Yep.
I don't know where I'm at right now. Got one more turn.
Bring it home, Kart Rage.
Well, that's it for tonight, guys. See you next racing league.
And that's his race. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Let Kart Rage reads these. And I think he needs some encouragement here and there. Drop him a comment below and let him know what you think about his race or anything else Kart Rage related. And thanks a lot. Thanks a lot again, and I will see y'all next time.